One thing I love about this day and age is how easy it is to make money using the things we already love or things we have already had to spend our money on anyways. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing. Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace, and in today's video we're going to discuss how you can make at least $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income by promoting Amazon products and earning commissions on each sale. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing. So be sure to watch this video until the end and grab your pen and notebook so you can start earning money within the next few days if you follow these steps and strategies I'm going to give you today. The first step to making $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing is to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. The program allows you to promote Amazon products and earn a commission on sales. To sign up, simply go to Google and search Amazon Associate Program and follow the instructions to create an account. To be approved for the Amazon Associate Program, there are a few requirements that you will need to meet. You will need to have a website, a social media presence, or a blog where you're able to promote your Amazon products. You will need to have a decent amount of traffic coming to your website, and while there is no specific number, Amazon looks at your website to see if it have a good amount of traffic and engagement. So whichever social media platform you have the most followers and engagement on, it's recommended to use that platform when you're signing up for the Amazon Associates program. You'll need content that's relevant to the products you want to promote, and it should be your own content and not copied from another creator. You will need to be in compliance with the Amazon's term of service and the Federal Trade Commission's guidelines for affiliate marketing. Your geographic location is important as well because the program is available in many countries, but unfortunately not all. So be sure to check to see if your country is listed for the program. You'll have to be at least 18 years of age as well to participate. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for the Amazon Associates program. The application process is straightforward and involves providing information about your website and how you plan to promote Amazon products. If your application is approved, or let's just say when it is approved, you can start promoting Amazon products and earning commissions on sales. The second step to make $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing is to choose your niche. A niche is a specific topic of area of interest that you will be promoting products in. It is important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a large audience. This will make it easier to create content and promote your Amazon products. So let's just say that you are a great cook and you always find yourself buying things off of Amazon for yourself. You can find products that you've used and add them to your Amazon storefront. If you're interested in beauty and you're always buying your beauty products off Amazon, you can start a storefront for that as well. Whatever you're already spending money on from buying things off of Amazon, use that to your advantage and start a business around it. This can be fitness, beauty, fashion, cooking, housing, parenting, finance, literally anything that you have and you use. The key here is to be authentic and only promote things you've already used or tested for your own liking. You don't want to list an outfit on your storefront as a fashion brand and someone purchases under your link and is not up to par. So be sure to list things you know are good for others as well. The third step to make $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing is to create content. There are so many ways to create content around your products, like mentioning them in your videos on social media, starting a blog and leaving your links, creating a TikTok account around your products alone, and so much more. The key is to show up as your authentic self and find ways to be creative. If you know that you're good in getting in front of the camera, get in front of the camera. If you're better at writing things out, start with a blog. If you're better at getting videos of products without you being on camera and showing the products, do that. Whatever works for you and shows your true art. Want to create content that is valuable and informative for your audience. This will help build trust and credibility with your audience, which leads to more money, honey. The fourth step to make $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing is to promote your Amazon products. This can be done by including your Amazon affiliate links in your content. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, this is how you're going to make commission on those sales. An example of this would be you having a TikTok account based on your niche that you have chosen, right? You're going to create content specifically around the items you're wanting your followers to purchase. Again, you want to make sure that these are items that you have purchased and you want to list it in your bio. You want to be sure you have a call to action in every video stating where they can go to get the product you're advertising in your video. If you have a list of multiple links from each product, you can start a free Linktree website to host each product list to make it easier for your followers to find. On each product that you add to your Amazon storefront, you will have the option to save a link for each product versus using your Amazon storefront. But you can always use your Amazon storefront solely to host your affiliate products. The good thing about the Amazon storefront is you can make it look just like a website. You just have to play around with it and put those products on your storefront. This is going to bring us to the end of this video, a recap of how to make $100 a day using Amazon affiliate marketing. First, sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. Second, choose your niche. Third, create content and be authentic. Fourth, promote your storefront products in every video, or if you're doing a blog, make sure you're putting it in every blog with those links. Remember, there is no limit to how much you can make by applying these strategies. You can make $100 a day depending on how much time you put into this and how serious you are. You can make more. You can make $1,000 a day. There is absolutely no limit. This is a great business to start and an easy way to get started with no cost to you. If you're looking into starting a business, which I highly recommend, make sure you go ahead and sign up for your free business LLC today. Even if you just want to make extra income, having a LLC is so important because you can build generational wealth for you and your family. If you're ready to live a life of financial peace, down in the description you can sign up today to start your business and get your free LLC as well as your free EIN number. That's going to be down in the description. I have it linked where you can go ahead and get that business LLC. Even if you don't plan to get started now, go ahead and sign up so you can have that already ready. I am Tiara and this is Road to Financial Peace, teaching you what wasn't taught through financial literacy. I'll see you back here on my next video. Bye.